Hi everyone, welcome back to Armcandy. I hope you're all okay. We are back today with this beautiful Mulberry Darley wallet. How gorgeous is this? It's in the colour clay, and I think that colour is just divine. A really sweet wallet. I'll show you the features. So you've got a little flat pocket on the back there, and then you've got a flap closure with a little postman's lock fasten, envelope style. And then you open it up and you've got that gorgeous sort of maroon interior. Really, really beautiful. You have got two open sections. You've got one flat pocket, one zipped pocket, and then you've got 12 card slots in total. I'll just open up that zip pocket for you. You can see it's so nice and roomy. It's a really nice roomy wallet. And then you've got your little clip zip. Then you've got a flat pocket along the front there as well. So this is really nice, and it's got a lot of movement in it, which I really like. This one has been pre-owned, and it has got just that really lovely sort of loved mulberry feel, which really makes it flexible and just easy to use, exactly how I like my mulberries. I'll show you what this comes with. It comes with mulberry box, mulberry tissue paper, and then a little mulberry product card as well. So it's a Darley wallet, small classic grain in clay. So yeah, really nice little set. And condition, really lovely condition. We've called it fair throughout, but you can see it does actually look beautiful. But like I said, it has that sort of warm mulberry feel. There's a few little marks to the leather. So you've got a little scratch there, and you've got a few little sort of white dots on the leather. It's not until you look close that you see them. Sort of like from afar, you don't really notice. The back looks lovely, but you've just got those odd little white marks sort of dotted along the leather. Corners are actually really, really nice. And you can just tell that it has been used before. Interior, we've also called fair. Exact same reason. You've just got a few little signs of wear. You can just see that it has been used. You've got a couple of little marks just here as well. And then the hardware, we've also called fair. This hardware inside, actually, that's beautiful. That's in really nice condition. But you've got a little bit of silver coming through the gold. This post is actually lovely. The hardware looks really nice. You've got mostly gold, but you have got a few scratches there. And then you've got sort of a bit of a bigger scratch just there. But it is in a lovely pre-loved condition. So yeah, if you love this little piece of mulberry, check it out on our website. So the link to this will be in the description. So go to the description, click the link, it will take you straight to this on our website. You can see all the details about it there. If you click that link and it doesn't take you straight to this, I'm sorry, that does mean that it has sold. But don't worry, we have a request list. So if you want one of these or anything else, get in touch, let us know, and we will email you when they come in. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, sign up to our newsletter so you can get 5% off your first purchase and keep up with all the latest Armcandy. And we'll see you very soon with some more.